Hello everyone, and welcome back to Straya. Let's get back into it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Straya. We got some good advice there. If you don't check your fuel, you're liable to crash and die. This also applies to real life if you're a helicopter pilot. Always check your fuel before flying it. And if you're not a helicopter pilot, why are you trying to fly a helicopter? Yes, continue. So, I have water. I do not know how to repair my shotgun. Wait, where am I? Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, at least... Oh, wait, I'm in the right place. Good. Okay, I need to figure out how to repair my shotgun.
G'day, mate. There they go,
Hey,
mate.
do you sell repair kits? Not enough.
How's it going, mate?
Oh, fuck. Double fuck. Triple fuck. For some reason, whenever I search how to repair weapons in Straya... Okay, yeah, it first came up with Stalker. And... Let's see, the YouTube... Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, let's see if the Google AI is actually helpful. Or if it's just bullshit. As expected, bullshit. Okay, I'll figure it out somehow. Hey, can you repair weapons? Oh, hold on. This could be useful. Oh, forgot to re-equip it.
See you, mate.
Can I just teleport over there? There's the steering. God, I am disoriented today. Wait, can I even do... I don't have... Where the fuck is the repair kit? Now... I'll see what I can do about this again. You know what, I'm going to hope that I get a repair kit over at the other town. Yeah, so these are some of the issues with $7. Not enough, but it's a start. Not now. Alright, I'm taking Ellie there. Most of this will probably get skipped over, and I highly doubt the travel times in this game are accurate, but if they were, we'd be here forever, so yeah. Oh, there. Oh, what the? Giant ants? I am not messing with those. No, I'm not crazy. Yeah, no. You don't fuck with ants. Unless you're an anteater, or... Oh, hey, there's the dog. Unless you're an anteater or one of a select few other types of animals, you do not fuck with ants. Like, ants are very dangerous. Like, they are, for their size, incredibly strong, and they fight in massive hordes. There is very little that most animals can do if a group of ants wants them dead. And now it sounds like... Oh, I thought that was Rodan for a moment, but no, just some birds. I wonder if I can shoot them or if they're Anyway, I think I actually saw them before they're ambient. Ow! What the fuck was that? Oh, it doesn't see me anymore. It's weird. Oh, a plant. Fine. You know, I'm just glad that I haven't encountered any snakes yet. Like, Nelly really doesn't like them, and then I have to walk the rest of the way there. Perfect! More water. Is that a... Nah, that's fishing. Yeah, there are some fishing mini-games in games that I like, but not many. Like, the best one that I've played, in my opinion at least, is the fishing minigame from Rune Factory, Guardians of Shut Up Birds, Azuma. Hey, finally, here we are. Yes, I have a new location discovered. Something is coming. Oh, not anymore. But now again. Jump over the barbed wire, Nelly, because that couldn't end horribly in any way. Ah, looks like we've got a slightly more upscale pub. And it's locked. It's room. Okay, it's room. Aha, I see. The intended path. You know, I am curious about what zero durability does to this gun. Will it break without it, or will it just... stamina elixir. I don't need this stuff. There aren't any women in this game, as far as I know. You know, I am basically robbing this guy, or whoever else lives here. Oh. Oh, a map with a Lego. Well, wait, fine now. Oh, gold! Right, well, yeah, I'm just robbing them. Not here. Okay, shack by the creek. Well, I suppose as long as no one calls the police. Well, I suppose as long as no... Did I actually come to think of it? Oh, what's in here? Actually, come to think of it, it kind of makes sense that I just robbed these guys, seeing as Australia was a penal colony. And everyone in it is either, well, at least like a good chunk of the people in it, are the descendants of either criminals who were sent there, or the prison guards. There obviously are people who moved in since then, and obviously there were likely people who lived there before then. But then again, how do we know that Australia wasn't a penal colony before the British came to it, too? For all we know, the Australian Aboriginals could be prisoners of some ancient civilization that was hyper-advanced and sent their criminals there too. I mean, the British thought it was a good idea, and they might not be the only ones. What's that? Is that just mosquitoes or... Well, as long as Nellie's faster, then it isn't a problem. Ooh, so he's gone. That does not help me repair my weapon, but at least I can pan now. Okay. Now, I really do like the panning for gold mini-game. No, don't come after me, animals. I'm busy. There! Yes, I have a lot of money. And if I can't repair my shotgun, at this point I can probably just buy a new one. It seems like a bit of a waste, honestly. But still. Let's see if there's a, I'll see if there's a fast travel point in town. Okay, remember, if you're ever in a thunderstorm, make sure you're not on horseback. There, yes. Thunderstorms were a massive threat to cowboys because, well, on horseback, you're the tallest thing around, unless you're, like, in a heavily forested area. So, Yeah, I think you get the idea. Like open. Well, I suppose if you're in a forest, then that means it's kind of okay to be on horseback, but still. Drop the sky again. And, yeah. How much ammo do I have? Like, the pistol costs a lot of money. But you know, I need a backup weapon. So I'll have the pistol, I'll have some extra pistol ammo, and I'll get, like, I'll get the backpack again and the rifle later. Hey, I couldn't find the guy you sent me to find. Give me money? Okay, delivering the goods. Emergency supplies to some remote... Oh, fuck. I was dreading this quest. Once again, I do not like helicopters in video, well, I don't really think I like riding helicopters in general. I never rode one in real life, and I never will. Unless it's some emergency situation. Yeah, get chopper, get goods, deliver remaining supplies. Yeah. Okay, chopper, fuel, enter, if I remember right, how do I go down? No, down. Where's the manual for this thing? Down. That was... I didn't even know you could melee with the gun in this game. Oh my god. Okay. You're lucky I don't have the rifle, kangaroo. Okay, things are going well so far, but they could easily go bad, very bad. I am going to need to get out and refuel this thing, because this is pretty far away. Jesus Christ, it is. Ain't there enough fuel to make it back? Yeah, like, money is a much bigger issue in this game than you think, as I'm sure you notice. This by now, like... bullets, ammunition, bat guns, and fuel all cost ammo, as well as the fast travel system. And you're going to need a lot of it to get through the game. Okay. Down. Yeah. How the fuck did that spider get up here? Jesus Christ. Was that an even smaller Australian spider than normal? Now, I was dreading this mission, but it actually was worse in the, well, harder, I suppose, in the original game, if I remember right. I could just be remembering it wrong, but before the updates came, you basically had to like, sort of lower a rope to attach the things to, and then be careful to not have the packages you're delivering hit anything. Because, like, if they hit things, then that would be... well, obviously it would be bad. I wonder what's in there. Oh, I'm gonna have to do this now. Good thing this chopper has infinite durability, or I might have broken through the glass by now. I also need to get out of it to get my fuel on. Ah, a kangaroo. Hopefully it'll come for me so I can... Hey, kangaroos, get out. Fine. They don't see me enough to try to kill me. I probably could have landed this closer, so let's see if we could add fuel. Alright. Where's the dog? this one next, I guess. Alright, going down. This was a shorter flight, so that's good. Hopefully the last one will be really short, too. Yeah, the thing is that with things like gold rushes, I don't know, was there an Australian gold rush? So, in real life, I live in the United States. So I'm mostly, I'm not that familiar with Australian history. I know a few things about it. And the fact that there's gold panning in the game, is assuming that the gold panning is accurate, indicates to me that this was a thing in Australia, but gold panning is not the same thing as like a big gold rush, which there was in the United States, where basically some people out in the western regions of the United States struck gold, and then a horde of people came in to get more gold. Very few of them actually found any, and the people who made the real money were, most of the people who made money from the gold rush are the people who sold stuff to the gold miners. The gold miners themselves made jack shit, aside from the ones who actually found gold, which was like a tiny percentage of them. Ah, fuck! No, wait. Please tell me that at least delivered the item. Nothing in my quest. That's a good sign, I hope. Fuck, I lost my shotgun. Hey, please tell me that, like, oh, God. Yeah, deliver the item.
Right, Mike.
Fuck! Oh, God. I was hoping to get through the tutorial today. I really hate this mission. And now I don't even have the money to do it. Fuck. I suck at this game. Thank you for watching, everyone, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe.